Do you want to earn money by making videos on YouTube? If yes, this video is for you. I'm going to share with you my best advice how to do just that, so you can become independent with your time, location, and money. I'm Maruheta, and this channel is dedicated to creators and solopreneurs who want to make content creation their lifestyle job. Why should you listen to me? I'm 38 years old and I've been a self-employed solopreneur since 2017. To make money over the years, I've been a writer, web designer, graphic designer, video editor, SEO specialist, translator, blogger, and I even get paid to watch Netflix. The point is this: there's more opportunities than ever to make money online with remote work. Whatever skills you have are valuable and you can use them to create a source of income. What do I know about YouTube? I started making videos back in September 2020, and here's something cool I can show you. We are in my channel analytics, and this is one of my earliest videos. Look at the graph. All this time since it was published, it's still getting views and watch time 4 years later. When you make a YouTube video, it's like planting a seed. It can grow your channel for years. In those 4 years, my channel has accumulated 112,000 views, 3,000 watch hours, and 777 subscribers. On my other channel, just to show you quickly, on this one I have 46,000 views and 202 subscribers. To get here, I've made about 100 videos. My best video so far has 37,000 views, and the next ones 11,000, 10,000, and 10,000. And as you can see here on the graph, in 2023, I only posted 4 videos and 2 shorts. Despite that, I was getting views every day and getting subscribers and watch time just with the existing content. So I didn't touch the channel almost for a year. Only here in May 2024, I started to revive this channel, and now the stats are going up again, and they will keep going up. I'm showing you all this so you know that I'm not making things up. I'm speaking from my experience. Now I'm helping people like you to grow their YouTube channels, turn it into an income that can replace a full-time job. You'll gain location and time freedom. As a digital nomad, in the last 10 years, I've been living in 5 different countries, and I wouldn't trade this freedom to anything. Now let's talk about how you can turn your knowledge, passion, and expertise into videos that will make money. The formula is simple but not easy. Attention plus offer equals money. First you make videos to get attention, then you make an offer to turn some of that attention into money. As a nice bonus, once you get monetized, you'll also earn ad revenue from YouTube. How do you get attention? Start by making your first 10 videos just to warm up. There are 100 small things you'll need to figure out about the process. It doesn't make sense to focus on strategies or SEO before you get your feet wet. What am I talking about? Well, you need to learn how to talk to a camera, move your files to a computer, edit in a video editor, upload videos, create thumbnails, and all those steps. That will keep you busy enough for your first 10 videos, and it will give you a better picture what it's like to make videos and how you want to make them. Here's something important to consider at this stage. What is the impact you want to have? How do you want to help others? If you don't have a strong why to drive you, it'll be hard to keep going when the growth is low. For me, this is the only thing I want to do. I love making videos. I love to follow my interests, make videos about them, and help others to make good videos also, to get that attention. Well, we'll get to that. Okay. Once you've made your 10 videos, focus on 3 topics, make videos of each, and see which one gets views. The one that does becomes your North Star. To grow your channel, follow that single topic with your new videos until growth slows down. Then branch out to test other topics and find another North Star. This way you'll get views, watch time, and eventually get monetized. And that completes the attention part of the formula. What about the offer and making money? Next, depending on your goals, design an offer and let your viewers know about it. For example, if you're a writer and want to help other content creators with their scripts, you could offer a coaching program or a course, or you could offer writing services. Once you have an offer, create a page for it where people can buy that. Add that link in your video description, channel bio, and promote it in your videos. From the thousands of views you will get every month, maybe 50 people will click on the link and 5 will take up on your offer. If the average price is around $250, you'll make more than $1,000 per month. Over time, as you make more videos, you'll get more views, more clicks, and more clients, and then you can increase your prices. At that point, it's just a countdown to quit your day job or stopping all the cold calls to chase clients for your business, because the clients are coming to you. How does that sound? Can you see yourself doing that? I can help you make it happen. With my experience and full dedication to grow my YouTube channel, I can guide you to transform your channel and business. All you need to do is start. If you're serious about becoming a YouTuber and building a sustainable source of income with videos, let's talk. If we work together, I will guide you through every step and help you grow faster. In one-to-one coaching, I will teach you my 3x3 strategy on an advanced level, give you my content strategy spreadsheet, and take you through the process of getting your first 50, 100, and 500 subscribers. Stop wasting time and making excuses. Hundreds of people just like you and me are earning money online by doing this. They're average people. You are good enough. Ask yourself, do you want to stay in the same situation for the next 12 months? Or do you want to start building a channel, have fun, and make some money? Let's make it happen. Check out the coaching if you're interested.